بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
اقترب للناس حسابهم وهم في غفلة معرضون ما يأتيهم من ذكر من ربهم محدث إلا استمعوه وهم يلعبون لاهية قلوبهم وأسروا النجوى الذين ظلموا هل هذا إلا بشر مثلكم أفتأتون السحر وأنتم تبصرون قال ربي يعلم القول في السماء والأرض وهو السميع العليم.
Their reckoning draweth nigh for mankind while they turn away in heedlessness. Never cometh there unto them a new reminder from their Lord, but they listen to it while they play, with hearts preoccupied, and they confer in secret. The wrongdoers say, Is this other than a mortal like you? Will ye then succumb to magic when ye see it? He saith, My Lord knoweth what is spoken in the heaven and the earth. He is the hearer, the knower.
بل قالوا أضغاث أحلام بل افتراه بل هو شاعر فليأتنا بآية كما أرسل الأولون ما آمنت قبلهم من قرية أهلكناها أفهم يؤمنون.
Nay, say they, these are but muddled dreams. Nay, he hath but invented it. Nay, he is but a poet. Let him bring us a portent even as those of old who were God's messengers were sent with portents. Not a township believed of those which we destroyed before them, though we sent them portents. Would they then believe?
وما أرسلنا قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. وما جعلناهم جسدا لا يأكلون الطعام وما كانوا خالدين ثم صدقناهم الوعد فأنجيناهم ومن نشاء وأهلكنا المسرفين. لقد أنزلنا إليكم كتابا فيه ذكركم أفلا تعقلون.
And we sent not as our messengers before thee other than men whom we inspired. Ask the followers of the reminder if ye know not. We gave them not bodies that would not eat food, nor were they immortals. Then we fulfilled the promise unto them, so we delivered them and whom we would, and we destroyed the prodigals. Now we have revealed unto you a scripture wherein is your reminder. Have ye then no sense?